talks and help you to decide which one is better for you. Nerodo.
How we should organize ourselves. It's like that. Goes, 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 and goes. Mira, we will be in columns.
Yeah.
We can organize ourselves from left down.
Yeah.
Should we stand in that sequence?
I'm
Yeah.
the first one.
Yeah. So while speakers will stand in the queue, I would also like to mention about one small thing which is not indicated in your badges. It is at almost 1 p.m. You will have a lunch downstairs, so it is not indicated in your badges, but please note that the lunch will be waiting for you. So now, I'm giving you a microphone.
Oh.
Yeah. So all you have 1 minute to introduce your speeches. So let's start. Maybe. Vaidai, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Thank you. So you already heard me. I'm Vaidas Adomauskas, and I'm staying here. So if you are the most lazy person, of course, you can stay here. You don't have to do anything. After coffee break, we meet. I'll talk about agile economics. Actually, I'll try to continue what Niels was talking and take my projects examples, how those cross-functional teams and working in this network organization helps you to run your projects cheaper. I'll show my few examples, then I'll try to talk about theory, why I think it works. And then I have a very interesting surprise for you at the end. So if you want to be surprised, come to my talk. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'm Ahmet from Turkey. I will be talking about a brand new framework called Agility Path. You know, we all have using agile methods, agile processes in our organizations, but we face with the problem of not being able to anchoring agility into the organization. So that's a brand new framework to anchor the agility into the organization, and it's created by John P. Cutter also. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Hello, I'm Sławek Ginter. I'm from Gdańsk, from Poland, and I'm part of the team that develops Atlassian Jira. And we are very distributed. We have to deal with a few problems coming from being distributed. And I'll be talking about how exactly we use Git and how exactly we use code reviews and pull requests to do the changes to the code, to communicate the changes to the code. And if you plan to go to Git or other DVCS, or you already did it and have some problems, please come and we'll try to come up with some solution. And I hope I'll learn something from you as well.
Hi, so I'm Suzy. I'm from Czech Republic, and despite on what you see on this card, I will be talking about Agile adoption stories. There is Agile communication. So if you are interested about Agile communication, well, you can talk to me during the breaks. Online, you can see all the information about Agile adoption stories. It will be about transformation of the organization, what you should avoid, or what you would like to be as an organization, transforming to Agile.
Hello, my name is Alexei, and I will be talking about literature. And okay, it will be about the warfare and ancient strategies relevant to the modern project management and even agile project management. So I will be somehow opponent to the Niels, talking that all theories are still working.
Hello, my name is Šarūnas. I'm from Computer Science Corporation, CSC, Lithuania, and today we'll speak how Agile goes mainstream. And the key topic is that Agile and Waterfall can work together. So please come to Auditory 5.2, and you will find out how Agile works in different industries, not only in the software. So thank you.
Hello, great to be here again. My name is Lasse Ziegler, and I'm not going to talk about something. We're going to do something else. We're going to build a tower out of spaghetti, string, tape, and one marshmallow. It's going to be really interesting, exciting, and fun, so I hope to see as many of you up there building a nice tower and see what happens. Thank you.
This self-organization worked at that end on the queue and didn't work at this end. Let's try to organize in the columns so people can see when you say your name. So now you guys told already, but like second column goes here from top down, and then the third column, and the last four stays here. Then we will have the view with the audience managed. Everything is now fine?
Hi, my name is Ala, and I'll be doing a talk in 15 minutes on how software developers should not be code monkeys or nerds, and should be very valuable professionals who deliver most of the value to the business they're working for. And I will give some examples in Java code, but this presentation will not be super technical, so both developers and managers can attend and will find something interesting for them. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Eddie. Nice to meet you here. And I'm the guy who occupied 2 slots for software developers, architects, and coding wizards, not monkeys. So basically, what I would like to show you today, it's these things that are really important in order to create a well-crafted software. It's logical design stuff. So together with you, we will take a look how this logical design works, how it should look like, and I will tell you about the tooling, how you can manage all this stuff, and how you can apply it in your own project. So for the next slot, I will show you basically how Apache Camel looks under the hood, and you will see basically that there's a big difference between doing a great framework and doing a well-designed framework. Thank you. Who's next? I can try once again.
Hi, I'm Jake Benilov. I live and work in the UK. For the last year, I've been working with the British government in the delivery team of GovUK. It's a project that built and replaced the central government publishing portal. So it's been a pretty busy year for the project. We managed to double the amount of traffic that the site has, up to 1 million visits a day now. We've had over 1,000 releases to production in 8 months, and we've saved £42 million. So this wouldn't have been possible without using lots and lots of feedback. So in my talk, I'll talk about all the different types of feedback that I've been using to make it a success. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Raimons Smanovskis from Latvia, and I will be talking about test-driven development. I'll talk about the different myths about it, and so why people try to avoid it, and think of excuses how to avoid it. And I'll talk about my experience of real benefits when starting to adopt it. And then at the very end, I'll do a very risky thing. I'll do a live demo of TDD so that you can feel and see how it looks like doing development using TDD practices. Thanks.
After his talk, come to me. I'm Osvaldas Grigas. I will explain how TDD is a tool to achieve simplicity, at least, among other things. So it's for developers. The idea is that being agile does not prevent you from creating crap and from building big balls of mud. So you need tools other than agile processes to keep your system simple in the long run. And I'll try to show some practical measures how you can do that.
Hello, my name is Natalie. I'm from Belarus Target Process, and today I will touch on the topic of data visualization. So we all love data a lot, and we are good in understanding the linear dependencies, go and do more, get more money. No, we are not people of T-theory X. But what if we have more parameters? So I will touch on topic of visual encoding and seeing data from different perspectives, grouping data by different rules. And we will have a look on some real examples from Agile teams using timelines, scatter plots, and different methods. So if you're interested in seeing data and work with the big data, just join me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Saulius. I'm a developer. So our talk will be about test-driven development again. First of all, I highly recommend to visit Raimond Sivanovsky's talk, because we'll continue where Raimond will finish. Vyacheslav is just writing tests for our presentation. He'll join us later. All the topic is based on face-to-face conversations with real developers, with many of them from different organizations. We just came to them and asked, what are the real problems you solve when you try to apply TDD? So that's what our topic is about. It's about reality. It's about TDD and real projects. There will be a lot of reality checks, so be prepared to raise your hands all the time and see what's going around. So that's it.
Hello, my name is Tomas Varaneckas, and together with Mindaugas Mazuras, we are going to talk about steps that our company took to make our release and development process stable and reliable.
And during this talk, we expect people who already know continuous integration and continuous deployment. We're not going to so much talk about the whys, but about the hows.
Matthias Karen have told, go practice. So the opportunity to come to workshop and practice. Because Confucius said that I see and I forget. I do and I hear and I forget. I see and I remember, and I do and I understand. That's essence why the workshop is good. You can practice the same techniques, but you can apply to different environments. In our case, we will be creating children's book with Scrum rituals. So I'm representing the management that is not dead. We are just reinventing.
Hello, guys and girls. I bet after all these interesting talks, you will have more new ideas and questions to share. So I invite you to come to room number 5.2 to discuss all your questions and ideas in groups and try out new discussion style Lean Coffee. Room number 5.2. Thanks.
Yes, just quick announce about my workshop. Just after the talk, I will have the workshop about the data visualization. So we will group by teams and having just sticky notes and votes and our own imagination. We will go through the whole work of the company, just trying to visualize and find out some hidden problems and a how moment. So join us. Thank you.
Yeah. So